drowning in tasks and losing track of where your time and money is going. Let's tame that chaos by learning how to effectively manage projects in Clockify. First things first, log into your Clockify account and navigate to the Projects tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. If you don't see it, make sure you have admin or project manager permissions. Click the Add Project button. A window will pop up prompting you to enter the project's name. Give your project a clear and descriptive name. You can also select a client to associate it with. This is super helpful for reporting later on. Now, for the magic. Expand the advanced settings here. You can choose a color to visually distinguish the project, set an estimate for the total project time, and even archive a project once it's completed. Scroll down to the team assignment section, click in the box to add team members and specify their hourly rates. This is crucial for accurate project costing. Finally, let's set a budget. You can choose to set a budget based on time or money. Define the budget you want and tick Notify Me when budget is reached if you want to be notified when your project is close to exceeding your budget. Once you've configured all the settings to your liking, click the Create Project button. And there you have it. Your project is now created and ready for you to start tracking time against it. You can add tasks to the project and assign them to different team members. This process ensures you're staying on budget and managing your time efficiently. Now go conquer those projects.